Laban kay Chia. 8 on the shot clock. And Rivas really working hard sa rebounding with 6 rebounds. Under a minute to go in the first half, Cariaso blocked by Tubid. He was double teamed by Tubid and Singson.
But the veteran Jeffrey Cariaso, that he is here on slow-mo, realizing na may contact na si Ronald Tubid, just challenges the defense of Dale Singson. Alam niya may contact na from behind. Kaya maski masupalpal niya, siguradong makakarinig siya ng whistle from the referees, and true enough, meron na siyang 2 free throws because of that foul by Ronald Tubid.
First foul laban kay Tubid, pero penalty na itong Turbochargers. Jeffrey Cariaso with 5 points at 6 rebounds. Cariaso playing in his 8th year dito sa PBA. An Asian Games veteran. Kakagaling lang sa groin injury. At bahagi na nga siya ng mythical first team. Bahagi pa ng all defensive team nung nakaraang taon.
Talaga naman, no?
2-point lead pa rin para sa Shell. Dribbling exhibition si Ronald Tubid, but he was blocked there by Rafi Rivas.
Not in front of Rafi Rivas. It's about 6'8".
And here's Dale Singson, 25 seconds to go in the first half. Mike Rayback with an easy layup. And Rayback now with 12 big points in the first half.
Alam mo, itong Shell Turbochargers, mas maganda ang linalaro nila pagka tumatakbo sila. And at that time, an easy 2 points because of that very good transition offense.
The Tigers are going for the last basket of the first half. Bola na kay Wainwright. Wainwright laban kay Laure. Wainwright umikot, yes!
Despite missing a lot of shots, Rob Wainwright not losing his confidence, making that turnaround shot.
So after the first half, the Turbochargers hold on to a 2-point lead, mga kaibigan, 34-32. We'll be back with more mula rito sa Aguilar Sports Center in Las Piñas matapos ang ilang palaran.